We got Nick's stuff. Alright, now it's Nick pretty much pukes. Now we got Cesario. We got some half and half, ultra pasteurized coffee stuff, I think. Yeah, that's for coffee. Here. Let's see this.
Italian dressing.
I don't know how to open that, but we got Italian dressing.
Go get a knife.
Knife. Oh, we got some eggs going, some Rocky Balboa up in here. Oh, hey, get a fork. Get a fork.
I know. I know. I feel like it's going to be fire.
I don't know how to stand this up or something. Michael Butler's keeping Cesario busy. The old hand job of victory.
Do you think half and half will be nasty?
I don't know. I thought it smelled good. This one?
Oh, it's gross.
Get some half and half. You still need 2 more ingredients. Get something really nasty in there, like, well, Nick's breaking the rule. He's getting the hot sauce.
Where's the one that's
Oh, what's it called? No, the endorphin rush. The hippie one.
Where?
Hippie sauce.
Right here.
It says endorphin rush on it. Alright, Nick's breaking the rules, but you know what? It's all in good fun, right? Okay, we need one more ingredient. You know, if I had a choice,
Say no.
we got some horseradish sauce, some ponzu sauce. Oh yeah, okay, we got. Alright, so that's pretty much all the ingredients we got. Oh, overflow. Alright, spill some of that out in the sink if you can try not to spill it, or not. Yeah, that's good too. Here, here's a fork. Mix up the egg so he doesn't know what it is. Cause if he swallows the egg, he's puking up so hard. Did you drop the egg in the sink? Oh man, this is sanitary process right here. He makes just pick himself out of the sink now. So I was gonna. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, it smells like garlic. Yeah, get mixed. So I won't know what hit him until he starts puking. He pukes really easy too. Let's smell it. It's like garlic and onion powder.
Oh wait, Michael told me to put something in here.
Oh, put the Sprite for the old Michael Butler.
He doesn't like it.
Oh, soda! Oh. You should fill the whole thing with something. Alright.
Put the egg first.
Yeah. So. Alright, we're gonna bring Cesario back in here in a minute. We'll just put this.
Wait, why won't he drink soda?
I don't know. He won't drink soda. He never tells anybody.
Wait, ingredients. Egg, half and half, no soda.
Egg half and half. Let's see.
Juice.
No, we'll tell him after. Because we didn't tell you it right away.
Did you guys put hot sauce in?
No, we
didn't.
didn't.
Think about it?
No, we didn't even think about it. Nick goes out of the box. Alright.
You think he's gonna puke?
You should put some laxative in there. That would have been great. Yeah, he has laxative, people. So I just need poop in his pants by the time he gets home. Who just keeps laxative in their drawer? Okay, that was a rhetorical question. I really hope he doesn't answer that question ever again.
We're not done.
Almost. Why you so gay? Oh man, just drop one in there. Here.
I can't, cause like, no, we gotta
break it open.
Yeah.
Break it open. Oh man, these things are hard. Here, I got one. Put the rest back.
Oh, we gotta like.
Oh.
See. Let's just do it the whole way.
Right there. Stuff in here. You need like a sharp knife.
Can't get it.
Oh, he's gonna be shit. Dude, put soap in there. Soap in there, liquid soap.
No, look at his soap. Look at his soap.
Okay. That would be so funny. It's like, where do my waxing pills go? I'm stuck on the toilet, man. Alright, this probably is good. Just put it at the bottom, maybe it'll leak out.
Oh yeah, true. No, but they float.
Alright, yeah, just take it out. Yeah. I'll just take one of these right now. Here, this one's dry. All those who didn't know what those were, even though I said it like 8 times. Stool softeners up there. If you guys ever have hard stools, here, put this back. Just remember to get that later. Alright. We probably made the best thing that you could ever want to drink.
Wait, let me see what the ingredients are.
No, we told you after. We told Nick after. You want to wax it too? Oh, no. Oh, he's drinking. Oh, chug it. See, it's not that bad, right? He's taking a deep breath. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, wait, here it comes. Wait, no, hold it back, Sarah. Be a man.
Fight back!
Fight back to demon! Go. Oh, okay. That wasn't a puke. That was just puke. That's a puke. That's a puke. Oh, it just keeps coming, ladies and gentlemen. When's the hot sauce gonna come? Is it coming? No. Mamacita. No, you good, Cesaro?
What the hell? Did you guys spit in here? No. It was like a yolk. It was like...
It's egg. Oh! I told you, egg would make him puke.
That's what got me. I was like, the yolk was like...
Ugh, it tastes like my daddy's cum. I'm not drinking this. Alright.
Yeah, no, kid, drink some, dude.
I'm not drinking... Oh! I'm not drinking some. Hell no.
Go drink some.
No, I already drank something I didn't want to. But actually, it wasn't that bad.
Man, when will it stop? I thought Nick Barnes was going to be bad.
Someone will rub his back.
Don't want to rub that back. It's very like sweaty.
I'll make him feel better.
Hey, you want to hear the ingredients?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, let's go inside.
Show them the video.
Yeah, I'll just show you the video. Alright, ready? Alright.